Hi everyone, Bianca here. Today I'm going to be talking to you about natural hair oil and showing you how to mix your own. There's a lot of natural products already available online, but the issue is if you need to use them for a long period of time, it can become quite expensive. So I decided to buy all the oils myself and create my own hair oil. All of these oils were purchased off Amazon and they are typically pure or cold pressed oils. One of the things you need to be aware of when using essential oils is that some of them need to be diluted and can't just be put directly onto the skin, for example, safflower and vitamin E oil. So those will be diluted into what's called a carrier oil. So a carrier oil is an oil that has the ability to transport the more potent oil into your skin without causing any harm. The reason I use natural hair oils is because they don't contain any harmful chemicals and hormone disruptors. So now I'm going to go through the benefits of all these different oils. Flower oil is rich in essential fatty acids. It helps nourish and strengthen your hair and it promotes healthy shine. The vitamin E oil has powerful antioxidants. It helps repair damaged hair follicles and promotes healthy hair growth. Flaxseed oil contains anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, soothes the scalp and reduces dandruff. Jojoba closely resembles the natural hair oils of our scalp, and so it makes it perfect for moisturizing and balancing oil production. Argan oil is packed with vitamins and nutrients that deeply condition and protect our hair, deeply hydrates the skin, and promotes healthy, smooth, and shiny hair. Finally, pomegranate oil. It's rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It revitalizes dull hair and promotes healthy scalp. It's used to stimulate blood circulation of the scalp. It increases the growth of stronger, healthier hair and may reduce hair fall. One of the important things to note when using essential oils is that even though it's natural, you could have a skin reaction to one of the ingredients, so you do need to do your research before using any of these oils. For example, someone with a nut allergy would use argan oil and somebody with a cannabis allergy wouldn't use hemp seed oil. It's also very important to do a patch test before you use large amounts of the product on your body. So do a little behind your ear onto your wrist and then leave it for 24 hours. If you don't have any skin reaction, then it should be safe to use. So now I'm going to show you how to mix the hair oil. I bought this little jug off Amazon and it's quite handy. It has the milliliters along the side, and I'm also going to use a dropper. So we'll start with the pomegranate oil. I'm going to use 10 ml of pomegranate. So just pour up to the first line. And then we'll do the argan oil. Again 10 milliliters. Pour next to the next line. Jojoba oil. Again 10 ml to the next line. Then flaxseed oil. Again 10 ml. Go to the next line. So the vitamin E oil needs to be diluted 10 drops to 30 ml of carrier oil. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bigger dropper. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the safflower is diluted 5 drops to 30 ml of carrier oil. 2, 3, 4, and one more. It's very easy to apply this hair oil. All you need to do is take a few pumps in your hand, gently massage to the scalp for 2 to 5 minutes, and then lightly coat the lengths of your hair, and then also add to the ends. You can then put your hair up in a claw clip and leave for 2 hours and wash out. Alternatively, you can put a cap on and you can sleep with it in your hair overnight and then wash the next day. You might need to wash your hair twice because it's oils. It might take a little bit more to get it out of your hair. You can apply this hair oil once or twice a week. You could see a difference from the very first usage just in the quality of your hair, how nice and moisturized it feels. But in terms of thickness and length, you would need to use it for 6 to 10 months before you start seeing a difference. Again, this varies from person to person. This hair oil can be used on any hair type, and any gender can use this hair oil. It's best to store your hair oil in a cool, dark cupboard, or in a dark glass container, or even in the fridge. Remember to do your research into all the ingredients in case you have an allergic reaction to one of the ingredients. And also remember to do the patch test before applying to all of your hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Please also leave comments. Let me know what you think of this combination of hair oils, which hair oils you use, and which ones you've had success with. I'll be very interested to know. Feel free to ask any questions and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you.